My name is Jamel Roseanne Santoman Villamas, and I'm in my third year at Burman University studying biology medicine.
Hi, my name is Boris Ruzindana. I am a second-year religious studies major at Burman University.
I am studying biology medicine because I hope to pursue a career as a doctor in the future. I have a love and passion for serving and helping others, and I personally feel like the best way I can do that is through becoming a doctor.
I wanted to take religious studies because I feel as though there are a lot of unbelievers and atheists who have been taught wrong things throughout their lives and have looked at God as a dictator and as a bad person. I just want to be that person who can show them the true light of the Bible and the true love that Jesus has for everyone.
I'm really excited to be Kaya co-director with my friend Boris this year because I know that Vespers is a very essential part to Burman. It was an opportunity for me to share my passion with others here on campus. I personally love leading out, I love sharing my experiences, and just creating an atmosphere for people to feel connected to one another and to Christ.
In my first year, Kaya was a very instrumental part of my spiritual life. The song service, the preaching, the prayer activity, everything combined really helped me in my school year spiritually.
Kaya is really such an important part to me and so many other students this week because from Monday to Friday, it's just working hard, going to classes, just stresses and everything. But then Friday night, we are able to close our work week and just enter into the Sabbath.
Our week in spiritual emphasis was a really good time for me. It was really powerful. A lot of the sermons that the fourth years were preaching about how it was a letter to themselves and what they would say to the younger selves really hit me because I've struggled in the past, and looking back at what I could have told myself kind of resonated with me, and hearing Romando's story about his past just really broke down some walls for me, and so that's the reason I got baptized.
My hope for the students this year is that they feel really excited about being here at Burman. I want them to experience the community that Burman is, to experience the different people, to experience the different opportunities and the events and everything that Burman has to offer.
I want to thank you for your continued support of Burman University and Christian higher education. This past year was a challenge as we had to adjust and offer our classes online. This year I am excited that we're back in person and that our students once again have the opportunity to be on campus and experience what Burman has to offer. Please continue to pray for us as we navigate the uncertainties of what education looks like during this pandemic. We thank you for your ongoing support through your prayers and for supporting us during this Canada-wide offering. As always, we will continue to educate students to think with discernment, to believe with insight and commitment, and to act with confidence, compassion, and competence. Thank you for your support.